everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Right, this is going to be a bit of a short video on my MIG welder, on my Artec, my new Artec welder, because you may remember a few episodes ago I was moaning about the gas running out really quickly, and I have discovered a slight problem with it. Right, now, because I had the generator running in there, I couldn't really hear the gas. And I've discovered since moving the generator down the other garage that every now and again when you release the trigger, the gas was continuing. So I contacted Artec, who were really good actually. I mean, I could have sent the machine off to them and they would have fixed it, obviously free of charge because it's nearly new, or they would send me the part, which is the new valve, which is what I'm going to fit. Right, so we've got it in the box here. They're really good actually. I literally contacted them and they sent it straight away and it arrived the next day. So we've got this valve. Let's get it out of the bag if we can. Oh, sorry. You can't really see it. It should be simple enough to fit, I think. Right, so there, as you can see, new valve. Obviously it goes inside in there, so we've got to take this cover off. So it's like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. So we'll unscrew that, get this fitted in, and then it should solve the problem. I'm kind of guessing that there may have been a problem with them anyway, because on the, yeah, where does it say it? Because it says on there the part, but it says uprated 240 volt AC gas valve. So the fact it says uprated, I'm suspecting that there may have been a problem, but like I said, it's one of them things and we'll sort this out. It's not a great deal of problem to fit it, so yeah, like I said, I could have sent the whole machine off and they, you know, they were more than happy for me to box it up and send it to them and them do it, but it seemed a bit silly when it's the sort of stuff I mess about with anyway at work. So not specifically MIG welders, but other kind of tools and stuff. So right, yeah, so I'll go set this up on the tripod and get this thing changed over.
Whip all these screws out.
Alright, that cover should just lift off. Like so. I see, there's a little, I didn't see that one.
There's a little strap there. And there as well, actually.
I don't know whether we need to attach that one. I suppose it'd be better to take it off. You get a stumpy screwdriver. I could probably work my way in there and just do that one anyway, but yeah, that's that little strap disconnected as well. gotta move that out of the way. Right, I don't know what you can see, but obviously this little valve down in there is what we've got to change. It's not going to be that easy to film it actually. Right, cool. Right, so I just released that so I could move that about because there's a screw going into the back of that. So now I need to undo that so I can pull that up out of the way, and then once that's out of the way I can disconnect the hose off of it hopefully. There'll be a little bit of seepage of the gas when I undo this because it's still held in the pipe. Like so. Undo the nut, and then we should be able to pull that out. There's a little zip tie there, I need to undo that as well. Cut that. I'll find a new one to put on it in a minute. Cut that, not damage any in the wires. Right, now we should be able to pull that out. And then find the other end of that. Then that just unplugs off of the board. Cut that. That's it, that's that removed. Alright, cool. Let's get the other one. It says uprated, but it looks absolutely identical, so let's not get them mixed up. Right, where's the bag? Because there's a clip in there or two. I don't know why there's two clips in there, in case I bugger one up maybe. Off there, that on there. And give that a little bit of a squeeze, but obviously we don't want to cut it this time, we just want to tighten up that hose. Just like that. Then we've got to try and find where to plug that back on again now. Sure, that's not easy, is it? Right, I'll be back in a minute. I just got to plug that back on the board. I can't quite see. Right, I've got that plugged back on there. It wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought that was going to be a bit of a pain. Feed that back down in there. And get the screw back in the other side of that. Fiddly little screw. Well, I nearly dropped the reel of wire then. That would have been fun. That back on. Right, knit that up. Cool. That's about it really. Quite easy to change. Right, that's about it really. So yeah, I'm not going to film putting all the cover back on, so yeah, that's how I've just changed that. So if you've got a Mig welder which like the gas is carrying on, there's a good chance, even if it's not this make, that could be your problem. So yeah, good eye. We'll put a cable tie around that and then job's a good one. Right, thanks for watching and I'll catch you again soon.